If you've ever been told your neck pain or your headaches are from bad posture or text neck, this one's for you, because that's not true at all. And the research proves it time and time again. The term text neck is something I've heard tossed around for years, probably even decades. And honestly, I hate it. It's a very frustrating phrase. It's a made up, fear-based buzzword that healthcare providers and marketers use to sell treatments, posture braces, and exercise programs, all based on the idea that looking down at your phone is dangerous. And it's not. People have been looking down for decades and hundreds of years. Think about how people read books. And it also is not what the science says about this neck posture. So a recent 2025 longitudinal study followed almost 400 adults for over a year. And they measured how much people bent their necks while using their smartphones, both in sitting and standing, and tracked who developed neck pain. And the results? There wasn't a link between neck posture and head posture and neck pain. People with a more flexed posture, aka that text neck position, were not more likely to develop neck pain than those who did. So let me repeat that. Text neck is not a factor for your neck pain, and definitely not for your headaches either. So what was linked to developing neck pain? Two big things, and this is common in what I see in practice: poor sleep quality and lack of physical activity. So those who weren't sleeping well and those who weren't moving regularly had a 2 to 2.5 time risk for developing neck pain over a course of a year. And this lines up with what I see in my practice every week when I see new patients. It's not that the posture is causing your neck pain and your headaches. It's that people are under-exercised, often, especially with the neck and the upper back muscles. They're just not moving enough during the day, and they're struggling with their sleep issues either because they have a sleep disorder or they're just not getting good quality sleep. And these are really the true drivers behind many patients with tension type headaches, cervicogenic headaches, and in some cases neck-related migraine triggers. So if you have a lot of neck pain, that can trigger your migraine attacks. But your posture here isn't the enemy, it's a scapegoat, right? Our bodies are meant to move in all kinds of positions throughout the day, including looking down at our phone. The issue isn't the position. It's the lack of movement and the lack of strength that makes those positions harder to tolerate. So if somebody tells you your migraine attacks or your neck pain or your headaches are happening because you're slouching too much, it's okay to smile at them and just walk away. Because I really want you to think about, we need to stop blaming people for their pain and start focusing on what really helps to manage pain, neck pain, and headaches better. It's movement, strength, and recovery, so that's sleep, and smarter strategies to reduce the burden on neck pain and headache. So if you've ever been told your posture is the reason for your headaches or your migraine attacks, share this video with somebody who needs to hear the truth.